Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Pinterest rich pins for better CTR step by step clearly. To install Pinterest rich pins for better click-through rates, start by ensuring you have a business account on Pinterest. If you don't have one, visit the Pinterest for Business page to create an account. Next, select the type of rich pin you want to set up: article, product, or recipe. For articles, rich pins display the headline, author, and a story description. For products, they show pricing, availability, and a direct link to purchase. For recipes, they provide cooking times, ingredients, and serving sizes. Once you have determined the type of rich pin, validate your website. Visit the Pinterest Rich Pins Validator tool. Enter a URL from your site that matches the rich pin type you want to apply for. Click on the Validate button to check if your site is set up correctly. If the validation is successful, you will see a confirmation message. If there are issues, review any prompts and fix the metadata on your site. After successful validation, click on the Apply button to submit your rich pins. Fill out the necessary information about your website and confirm your application. Pinterest will review your application, which typically takes a few days. Once approved, the rich pins will automatically be enabled for all relevant content on your site. Make sure to continue producing high-quality content to maximize your click-through rates. Regularly check your Pinterest analytics to assess the performance of your rich pins. With time, you should see improvements in your CTR and engagement on your pins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.